am just prepping for a bit. I should probably listen to myself speaking. Testing 1, 2. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so this would be a couple of hours, I suppose. That's what I have. I have 3 hours, but 2 hours probably enough what I want to do today. So what I want to do today is continue work on what I did yesterday. Yesterday, let's see, I can show it. So yesterday, I implemented this. I mean, these are cards basically, and I implemented the hand here. So the hand is in the UI, and also the hovering effects, interactions, also the interactions on the table, and also the I wrote some custom systems to detect the interactions and hovering and stuff, and made sure that the UI picking, so it's called a picking backend basically. So I just made sure the UI is prioritized over the world. And yeah, but today, so yeah, rendered hand cards, rendered table cards, made a picking backend for screen space, i.e. UI. And also had a picking backend for the world space previously. I just cleaned that up a bit. So it wasn't polluted by UI stuff. And before I ended the stream yesterday, I wanted to drag and drop. There was I were thinking about how to do it, and I thought it would be more complicated than it ended up to perhaps be. I will continue off where I left yesterday. Let's see, I need to open up the chat in case someone types something, in case you type something. Where is it even? Here we go. Sorry, just a moment. There we go. Now I see the chat and everything. I also need to look at some other things. Just a moment. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so I want to be able to drag and drop cards on the table, which is world space. Luckily, I wrote down some stuff here, because I don't remember what I thought about yesterday. I have the grid position. Okay. So the game code stuff. Don't necessarily have a table thing. I have the grid. I have cards. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I want to make not necessarily draggable, because I want to be able to move around stuff with multiple kinds of input, like controllers, mouse, keyboard. So I'm gonna make a new file, I think, that is called, I'm just gonna call it draggable, even though it does more things, or will do more things. Let's see if Copilot is helpful today. Obstruct, fine. Is that correct? Yes. Q. Yesterday, Copilot was not helpful. Okay, at the game to import the. Oh wait, I'm not gonna do it in the game. Am I? Or maybe I will. I'll just separate it here. I might want to migrate this to my template. So everything outside the game folder here is pretty much a template I'm using. Or I created and am using. Might want this draggable stuff in other games. Anyway. I envision that I have a component that will be just a draggable marker component. I also, dragging. I don't necessarily want to store anything, do I? Start position offset, we'll see. I think these two will be enough for now. What else? Right. I probably need a system. And Copilot is so, it's just distracting. So like this. Okay. So card front. Unfortunately, I think I'm using card front for cards on the table. Oh, and also in the hand, actually. Card front is just for rendering. So where do I want to do this? I will just not make it generic to start with. I will just do begin, drag, table card. Maybe I can make it generic later. Maybe, we'll see. So I need I really want, let's see, I already have interactions, right? Yes, for the cards on table. So I just need to pretty much just copy this. No, I don't need that. What I want to do. So pointer. Pointer events. What kind of pointer events do we have? So pointer events, click, released, out. Click and release target entity hover. Okay. Just press and hold basically. I should just remove this and do I'll just do on pointer click something and on pointer lists do something. What? Okay, so pointer click, pointer list. Button hit duration. Button hit duration. Is there a duration? Duration between the pointer pressed and lifted. Oh no. Click is actually on the release then, I guess. Pressed. Okay, so I need pressed, not click. Pressed. Cool. Why are you complaining here? Oh, I see. That's why. Okay, so all I want to do now is to insert. Insert component, dragging probably. But this should also just be stuff with Y card. Just be card query. I don't even need this. Can I just do, can I do this? This query? No. Okay, so I'll just use entity. And I'll say with draggable. Go. In that case. Yeah, just insert dragging components. All good. Here I want to do is to remove dragging. Stuff should happen then. Oh, sorry, this should be without. No, with draggable. Without dragging. Here with dragging. Enough. And I probably want to okay, so I'm gonna move this actually to draggable. Do app server. Oh, on press. I'm pressing draggable. Pressing draggable. And on releasing draggable. No cards here. Cool. Well, I can plug in. Go. But now. Okay, unfortunately I do not have like any debugging UI currently for displaying components for entities. I tried adding it yesterday, but it was just a bit annoying. Maybe I can just grab it. Hold on. Hold your horses. Let's see. Branch. Just remove it, or did I? Yesterday. Man, did a lot yesterday. Wow. Jeez. Oh, right, I rebased, that's why. Clean up, embed path, simplify. Ah, that's great. I'll do Bevy GUI something. There we go. Inspector. Bevy Inspector GUI. I'll just oops. No, I just need this, right? World Inspector. Entities, yeah. I do have it. Oh, I do have the code here. What code? The stuff. Packages. And I think I only use this, I think. Now let's do main file. I'll just add this and this, and right, I used to have this somewhere. GUI maybe. Oh, okay. Removes. There we go. removes. Basically, I've removed it here. I need to look at the code here. Okay. Oh no, actually, I want to look at the code here. Browse files. There we go. Game client. There's no game client. What? Oh, this is from last year. I don't think this is that old. Let's see. What the fudge? Yeah, that's the wrong one. I'll just grab that one anyway. Okay, here we go. Maybe. No, that's not it. GUI. Inspector. Oh, there we go. This one. That's the one I'm looking for. And yeah, here. I just want all of this. Come on. GitHub. Your file. Oh, we had a copy button. Copy. What am I copying? Copy file name. Oh, that's not what I want. I want to copy the contents. Copy raw file. Thank you. So I'll just do file, inspector, paste. And mod inspector. Inspect. Plugin. Cool. I think this is routes now. Yes. Oh, it's now. There we go. I actually just wanted this. All right. There we go. What did I use? What did I use to do? All I did was on update, run the inspector UI. That seems fine. But because of updates, I probably need to do something else. And go. This. Okay, so now the context is fetched like that. Get single. User deprecated. Single. Maybe. See. We'll see. Might work, it might not. Oh, okay. Oh, it works. Cool. What do I want to do? First off, I need to add draggable to stuff. So many files open. Hold on. Dragball and card. Someone's writing. Okay. Drag and drop cards on table. Let's do this. What happens? Let's do card rag scale. 1.2, fine. Back with Copilot apparently. See how long it lasts this time. Okay, so drag scale. Want to do something. So follow mouse delta for now, I suppose. How to get the delta? Is that something I can get from the... I wonder how I do this. I need to look at some examples. Bevy examples. Drag and drop. That's drag and drop and dropping files. That's not what I want. Drag, drop, no. Drag, no. Delta. How do I know the... Is the delta every frame maybe? Let's see. Mouse grab. No. Mouse input events. There we go. Mouse motion. Let's grab everything. This. And I'll just paste this in. And we'll see what happens. Sure. I don't need that. Maybe that. Maybe that. Not that. Not that. Not that. Not that. And I see nothing. That's interesting. No events. Did I actually use the mouse though? I think I did. Yeah. Okay, so nothing. Print mouse event system. Okay. I did this. I mean, system is running, yeah. That didn't work. Stupid. That's stupid. I wonder why. So if I do keyboard, there we go, keyboard and mouse. No, it's not what I want either. Keyboard, no, input. Ah, wrong, of course. Input. Input events. Like keyboard events. If I do this. And I add this. Keyboard event system. Yes. If keyboard, no, mouse. Mouse. Oop. Let's do. What is this? Max how much the mouse has moved every frame. Oh, okay, so maybe this is what I want. What is it though? It's not an event, it must be a resource. Okay. Well, I can just use that instead. Probably. Do stuff. Yes, here we go. So mouse delta is a resource, which is accumulated mouse motion. It must be new. And Copilot being helpful as usual. So stupid. I don't even know why I'm paying for that service. Mouse delta, okay. What do I want to do? So all the cards. So I need to want the transform of card. More stuff. So I want to transform of entities that has the card component and has the dragging component. And for each transform in card query, mutable, which transform let's look at the delta first actually. What that looks. That must be pixels. Yes, yes. Let's look at it here. Something went wrong. Right, can I do this? Also, I need to add a system. So, add system, update, hold on. Probably want to do this instead. I do not want to animate. All the time. Set, pause, system set, call like possible system. Why is it not responding? Oh no, nothing is happening. Literally nothing. Oh, I know why. Because I'm recording. I'm recording a macro. That's why. Follow mouse delta, yes. Inset. Pausable. Go. Which means when I go to the pause menu or pause the game, it doesn't run. You have to remember doing that. Let's see. So Vec2. I suppose I can use that maybe. Okay. I mean, I suppose I could have figured that out if I just did this, right? Vec2, yeah. Okay, so Vec2 delta. So transform. Translation. Plus equals. Plus delta. Delta. Should probably be mouse motion. Mouse motion. There we go. Right. Extend by 0. Basically transforms the Vec2 into Vec3. Why? This doesn't need to be mutable. What? That's interesting. It's because I usually do this maybe? No, that works as well. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Nothing happened. Draggable added. Let's see. One card. Everything one card. Can't I scroll? I can't do anything here. What the fudge? This interaction is broken for the Spectre. That's not good. And I think I know why. Or do I? And I have I render the hand. I have like a hand anchor or something. Hand anchor here. That is a node. They should have like pickable ignore. Yes. Maybe. Let's see. No, that wasn't it. Still can't click. Oh, so annoying. Ah. Okay. Awkward. So I'm just gonna ignore the debug thingy. Did I have that? I added it to inspector. Remove, yes please. And put it from here also. Gone. Also just removed from cargo. Yes please. Okay. Rebuild. Cool. So I'll just do prints. Where were we? Right, dragging something. Is it? Here, maybe. Follow mouse delta, that's what I did. So, first off, am I inserting the dragging components? No, I am not. Did I forget to add this plugin maybe? Game. Draggable. No, it's here. Oh, wait. Screen space. I don't want screen space. Be gone. I don't care about that stuff, I guess. There we go. Nothing. No clicks are working. Okay. On pressing draggable. Are you even? Yeah, so that works. But, oh no, Wayland stuff. I press once and I get two occurrences. It's not a big deal, but annoying. I'm doing well, thank you. How are you doing? Oh, this is annoying actually. Okay, never mind. It will happen twice. Okay, so helps adding draggable to the components. So let's do card. Where do I spawn the cards currently? Game state. Yes. Here we go. So they should be draggable. Nice. Shilling is nice. Okay. Right, so this is world space. It's funny. The scaling, I need to respect the scaling. And also that's interesting. Let's see. Yeah, it's going forward. So what happens now? Oops. Pointer. Hard mod. Follow mouse delta. Okay, so I need to mouse delta with this. And I should change this to, well, this should be world space. Actually, like table card mouse follow. Be without screen space. Go mouse delta y times equals -1. Stream is going. It's been a slow start, but I'm getting stuff done. Let's see, transform translation. Okay, and I also have world scale, I think. Source world scale. I wonder if I either here maybe scale. No. With scale, no. Appreciate it, thank you. The world scale. So first off, is world scale even updated? World scale. I don't remember if I fixed that. And world scale 1? No, okay. So the camera is not, doesn't know about world scale. I need to fix that. Okay. This is another project, I think. But it's kind of unrelated actually, because I'm using something called PanCam here. But actually what I do want to do is sync world scale, I think. Here I want to do think I want a projection of the camera. World camera. Yes. Not entirely sure. Projection. Describe the type. Orthographic projection. I think this is it. See, I'm gonna check some all code. Projection. No. View, maybe. Extracted view. No, that's not what I want. Okay, so maybe PanCam can help. Oh, scale. No, not here. Scale. Projection scale. Would be the window. Let's see. PanCam camera. Old scale. Projection size. Oh, come on. Cursor world pause propose cam pause. So where do I get the scale? Projection. So what is projection? It's the orthographic projection, yeah. Okay. So here. No. Here. Right. Correct. Orthographic projection. And width, Vello view. For projection in what camera query? Raw projection. This would be a reference, I think. Yes. And what is the projection? Scale. That's easy. This would be world scale. Press mutable. Vello world scale. Oh, maybe I should share my stream somewhere. Hold on. Remember something. Might be helpful for someone. Let's see. Working on game dev. Okay. So, yeah, I just shared the stream in the Bevy Discord. Might as well. Might get some help, might help someone. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I am syncing the pan-cam projection scale to the Vello world scale. World scale. Hold on. I mean, I can either mutate it or just do this instead. Command. Just do command insert resource Vello world scale projection some scale. No, did I get scale? Oh, hold on. I could do this. Maybe not. What? Oh, is that not a thing? Hold on. Orthographic projection, right? Vello view. Oh. No. Okay. Oh, it's not a query. Orthographic projection. That's a component. What did I do? Orthographic projection. That's not a component. What? Hold on. What now? Orthographic projection. So this is Bevy render 0161. Oops. This is Bevy render camera projection. Okay. Well, so I want Bevy render camera. Was a mouthful. No. Did I want? Where am I? Sweden. Sweden. And this one. Render camera projection. Yes. Oh, this is 15.2. Ooh. This is not what I want. Hold on. There we go. So how do we do it here? Projection. Watch. Okay, so there's a projection component now. Right. So projection. Right. With Vello view. And projection Vello view. Okay, if that some orthographic projection Okay, projection. No, unknown. Come on. That's not what I want. Just orthographic, maybe. No? Yes, orthographic. Why? Oh, do I need to do this? Projection, orthographic. Okay. Mismatch type. Okay. No. Okay. And? Oh. That's how I do it. Okay. Fair enough. Scale. Not insert batch. Insert resource. There we go. Sync world scale. Okay. We have 1.5, 2 hours maybe. I hope the scale is synced now. Yes. But it's not helping. Not helping at all. Not using it maybe. Funny. Okay. But if I don't scale it, I would think, I mean, if I do it slow, it's kind of not, right? Because now the scale is 1. It's slow, really slow. That's funny. Come on. Whatever. I have no idea why this is. I would think the mouse delta or accumulated mouse movement would be correct, but apparently not. Okay, and scaling is weird because grid is not scale aware probably. Grid cell width. Yeah, to world. scale. So I suppose if world scale changed, then I want to do this. I also want to do this and do scale and do scale. I think that should do the positioning better. No, it did not. Okay. It's weird. Did not. Update transform. World scale changed. Then I go through all the grid positions. Oh, only when grid position changed. So I should do a separate. Okay, I'll remove this. There we go. There. But no, that's wrong. Because I don't want to scale. I'm zooming in and out now. I don't want to resize everything to be the same. This is wrong. This is wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. And the reason it's wrong is because what? Because I'm using the transform scale, I suppose, and also the world scale. If yeah, so this is just wrong. There are some conflicts, that's why. So PanCam is doing one way. In Bevy Vello, I'm doing stuff. I don't really remember. Let's see, Bevy. Oh. Bevy Vello. Render. Systems. World scale. World. Come on. No. World scale. World scale. Mod. The plugin. There we go. Prep. Okay, so extracted camera, extracted view. That has the scaling already. But I'm also using world scale. Yet again. I think world scale shouldn't be used here at all. Cargo. Bevy Vello. Auth. So this was completely unnecessary. And also this. Yeah. I did not need that. Instead, I need so awkward. This doesn't work. I can't use the mouse, the accumulated mouse thing. How do people do this? Let's do Bevy examples. Accumulated mouse motion. This is just logging. I have no idea. Is there another value I can look for? I mean, this doesn't even work. Mouse motion. Hold on, it's a physical position. Maybe I need to like remap it somehow to the actual. I don't know what the other word is, like not the physical position. The physical position. Viewport physical position. Monitor. There we go. What is this? Monitor info. Oh, here we have some scale factor also. This I need in the future. Ew. Need this for DPI stuff. Monitor. Get it from the view maybe. Like view. I want to extract the view. I'm just gonna ask on Discord. Bevy. Let's see. is it related to actually? It's from input, Bevy input. I suppose that is general, right? Otherwise, it's only input dev. That's more for development. So, yeah, general. Anyone have an example of dragging stuff on the screen with Bevy and accumulated mouse motion? Seems it doesn't. Come on, go. Oh, hold on. Isn't there like a help channel? Ah, whatever. Experiencing. Oh, I need to record a video. Just a moment. Just a moment. I need to do this. And open Discord here. Yoink. And Bevy. General. Okay. That's fine. All good. What I want to do. Type. And one. I have an example of dragging stuff. Entities on a screen with Bevy and copy paste. Hold on. I'm experiencing delta not being accurate. And recording. Oink. Screen record. Oh, this is the entire thing. Go. Go mouse. It's the video. Just a moment again. Upload file. Screencast. Experience delta not being accurate for my use case. Do I need to calculate some other size? Not other size apart from the physical size. we go. And I'll continue with something else. Meanwhile. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. But I wonder what I can do while I wait. Probably plan further ahead. Because I kind of need this to get the flow in. I need it to work. Okay, so productive start of week would have been all of this. Drag and drop cards from hand to table, drag and drop cards. So all these drag and drop things. I want to do them, but if I can't figure out how to do it properly, there will be friction, basically. That is what I want to say. And I don't like too much friction. So what can I do instead? I mean, oh, I didn't think so far ahead. Okay. Mindbender. Bevy, Vello. Okay. So world and Vello world scale and Vello green scale. So, okay. I think I not jumped the gun. I think I added Vello world scale and Vello screen scale. Screen scale probably works. But okay, whatever. I think I added Vello screen scale and Vello world scale. Thinking that can I have a spell necessary? Is that correct? Maybe. Yeah, it was necessary to handle scaling world and screen. Whatever. Too many words. I think I added word scale and level screen scale. Thinking that it was necessary. After some work with projection scaling, work related to projection scaling seem they do more harm than good. It was initially work. I suppose I used it as a work around for not having multiple cameras. Is it unnecessary though? Let's see. Object. Because here, so world scale. So if the camera scales, that's one thing. Scale factor. So the camera scales, that's one thing. World scale. I mean, maybe it's necessary in some cases. It's just weird because I synced the projection scale with the world scale, which was probably wrong. But I'm not sure. I'll just leave it in. Hello world scale. Okay, I think same, but same state. Rendering. They do become useful. Because I do need the did I use it for before? Before I worked with Bevy Vello, I had my own thing here. So I didn't use projection scaling or the camera for scaling. I just used UI scale basically. My own resource. Maybe that was a wrong approach. Perhaps. Response yet. Trying to adjust an example code. Looks fine. Accumulated mouse position. That's what 3 camera. Okay. Right. That's something else. Accumulated mouse motion. It's 3D. Very enhanced input. Let's not give a clue. Manager. So input mouse. Actually, I'm just gonna clone this. Okay, so I have about an hour left. Oops. Bevy enhanced. Okay. Up. Moment. Okay. So accumulated. It's actually used. Mouse motion. So mouse motion. Oh, come on. Build. Bevy input. There we go. Okay, cool. Mouse motion delta into input mouse motion. Mod keys. Mouse mode will be captured as action value axis 2D. But do you do anything with that? That would make it enhanced. High exponential. Is that exponential? I don't know. Apply. Oh, exponential curve. What is this from? Why? Response curve apply simple exponential response code input per action. Okay, so this is probably for sensitivity, maybe. Probably. Speculating, guessing. But if I would use this crate instead, close. Okay, cool. So cargo, I'll try it. We'll see. So Bev enhanced input. Link. And why not? Have 15.1. Cool. Should I use this? All condition cancelling, condition switch, key binding, local mode for simple fly cam. That sounds like mouse stuff. Okay. Oh, actions bind and stuff. I don't want to bind, trigger, bind, fly cam. Okay, simpler. Local multiplayer. Mouse. Nope. Mouse button. Axial. I suppose I want to use. This doesn't help. Bind. Actions. Okay, screw contexts. Simplify cam again. Okay, so rotate. Bind first. Bind, trigger, bind, fly cam. What is bind? To define bindings for actions, write an observer for bind. Okay. Oh, input context. Fly cam is an input context. See. Okay. Hard. Wonder. Is my stream even on? Yes. Cool. Okay, table card mouse follow. So here, bind card, whatever. And examples, simplify cam, bind. Okay. Sure. Axial. Here, input mouse motion. Okay. Do something like this. Do okay, this. It. Trigger, I wonder if that's important. Bind. Oh, right. So I'm just gonna do Bevy enhanced, dilute. Here, draggable maybe. Fine, draggable. Is this from once? Bind. Oh, it's an observer. Okay. Map observer. Oh, here we go. Copilot again, not helpful at all. Bind, draggable. Copilot, disable. Hold on. I can. Oh yes. Draggable actions. Draggable. I could spell. Drag. Is it two G's? Draggable? Draggable? I don't know. Anyway. Sure. Is that a thing? Satisfied. Why is it not satisfied? But context. Fly cam. Input context. Right, okay. Draggable. Input context. Will that be a component? Maybe not. Okay. Cool. And rotate. I want, what is rotate in this case? It's from within. Okay. So suppose I need like 5. Hold on. This is what I need. Action. Back 2. Maybe I should have dragging here. Maybe. No, I'll do is dragging for now. Or enhanced dragging. That's what I do. Enhanced dragging. Yes. Gone. Okay. Negate all, because this is flying, so it's inverse, I suppose. Negate y. That worked. Funny. Is that from Bevy? No, enhanced input. Okay. And right. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. I wonder. Oh. I have a feeling this will not work because I also do this. I should not do this. No. Mm. Feels like it's compiling everything over again for Bevy. Wonder why? Just because I added Bevy enhanced input. That's awkward. Well, yeah, I'll take a short break while I wait for the compilation. Be right back. Okay. Okay, where was I? Or where were I? Where was I? Whatever. Okay. So I'm trying this enhanced input thing to see if there's also, I don't know what to call it, like not desync, but I don't know what it's called. Bind enhanced dragging, draggable. Mouse motion with modifiers, negate Y. Because it's world space. So, is anything even happening? Like, how? Right, so I need this probably. So I'm just binding stuff. I need to actually do something with it also. Probably this from the example. Here. So hired, enhanced dragging, and with draggable. Oh wait, I don't need that. Window. I don't need window, right? Maybe I do, apparently. And sure, players, whatever, is probably draggables, draggable entities, draggable entities. Go. Transform rotation. I don't need this. I just want the mouse stuff. Hold on. Transform. Mouse motion. Turns input mouse motion without key modifiers. Not keys, no, whatever. Input mouse motion. Action value axis 2D. Yes. Action value. Is this the action value? Yes. So it's form. Yes, cool. Form. This maybe? Move. Move. Draggable. Cannot use plus equals. Okay. Oh. Translation. There we go. Move. Draggable. Oh, error. Error. Why? Oh, it's a trigger. Okay. Draggable. Oh. Okay, nothing is happening. Fun. Trigger, bind, draggable. Okay. Is this even happening? Bind draggable. I suppose not. No. It's not. So in this case here was, oh, add input context. Probably that. So draggable. The app input context draggable. Oh, like this. Yes. No, okay. Context register does not exist in the world. Enhanced input plugin, of course. Oops. I'll just do it here. App. Plugins. Sure. Okay, nothing is happening. That sucked. The question is, did it attach anything? No. No. Okay. All on enhanced dragging. So I should have. Okay. Let's check. I need to check bind. So move. No. Rotate is what I based everything on. So rotate. So let's see, enhanced dragging. Did I say now? Right, so it's enhanced dragging. I'm actually binding. They bind rotate. The event fired is rotate. That's enhanced dragging from me. But I need to bind the draggable, right? So that's a fly cam. Fly cam is the input context. Rotate's just a thing. So it should kind of work. Draggable. Bind draggable. Okay. Bind. Trigger bind. Trigger bind. Oh, trigger bind fly cam. Yes, trigger bind draggable. What else do you do with fly cam? Add to input context, done. Command actions. Here we go. I need to spawn actions. This is in the setup, I suppose. Can I just do whatever. Per add systems setup dragging draggable. Setup draggable. It's command spawn. Actions. Bevy enhanced input actions maybe. Prelude actions. And this will be draggable. Startup. Sure. Okay, nothing is happening still. What else? Oh, query actions flycam. Hold on, didn't I do that kinda? Yes, actions draggable. But it never even see. Flycam input context. Input context. Yes, draggable is input context. What happens if I do this? No. Just an input context. Adding the input context. I do that. Yes. Spawn. Oh, hold on. Spawn camera with action. So I need to spawn. That's not what I need to do. I need to do. I think I get it now. Actions. Here. I shouldn't do this. I should do. Card. Where I spawn the stuff. At game state maybe. Here. So I need to add this. Like this. I think. No. Damn it. Oh, so let's say it's always draggable. But did it do anything? No, just game state, some logs, nothing about draggable entities. I was hoping this was a quick test, but no, apparently not. Did anyone answer my question though? General. No. Like Guess I can go to issues maybe. See if anyone else has this. What is it called? Reported mouse movement is massively slower on WASM than on native on cursor is locked. Maybe. I got the reverse issue, okay. Oh no. Okay. Closed. Update function runs once after closing the window. Add a reserve accumulate mouse motion and mouse control. Okay. What? Working with inputs from mouse. Okay. Closed. Update mouse button input. Mouse motion event. Delta for each movement. Basically mouse motion events, just aggregated or accumulated. That's it. So it's not accumulate mouse motion's fault at least. But it might be events, mouse motion event. I have about 20 minutes left. Yesterday was a good day. Today is not a great day. Productivity wise. I don't get why this Bevy enhanced input doesn't work. I wonder if there are any better examples of this. Key binding. Okay, so setup. I make a macro in an example. Ugh. Nope, too advanced, too complex to read. What about this? So, player, cool. Mine's draggable, so let's rename player to draggable. There we go. Spawn something. First. Hold on. Oh, it's an enum. Okay. Actions, draggable. I do have that. This is the actual entity here. Okay. Cool. If I remove this first. Nothing happens. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, this is spawned. Where are we? Bind draggable. Bind draggable. Yes, we have that. Bind. Bind move. Hold on. Hold on. Bind. Yes, so enhanced dragging. That's my thing. So move is enhanced dragging. Go. So here they bind actions. Yes. Okay. Yes. Then I find this. Actions draggable. Because it feels like this never happens. Hey. Okay, that happens. Cool. Oh, I know. I think I know, actually. Might work. Because dragging. On pressing draggable. So in grid, I changed stuff. Oh, I reverted everything. Good. I think. Grid position query. Update transform. This is only if grid position is changed. So that shouldn't do anything. So I was thinking that maybe the grid calculations, like where stuff should be, for the grid position, was running every frame, but it isn't. It's only when the grid position change. So yeah, nothing's happening. Good times. And a response? Nope. Nope. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Okay, so insert and this. No, move. Insert, remove. But enhance input doesn't do anything. Okay. Dragball. Move this. Oops. Wow, wow, wow. Wonder why. Input action. Enhanced dragging. And I am binding enhanced dragging to okay. And binding, moving. Moving, okay. Okay, fine. Wait. Moving works. It's the cursor. Binding. Okay, so they are bound. Oh, because it thinks. That's interesting. So, thinks cursor option. Bevy window, cursor option. The cursor option of this window. Cursor icons are set with cursor component. Okay. Is that it? Oh, because it's visible, right? I'm stupid. Of course. But yeah, doesn't work. It's the same problem. Sucks. See? Enhanced input. It's not enhanced. See? It's just as bad. Worse. Okay, I'm gonna show. I am going to show it off. Okay. Well, also, why is only one? Why is only one moving? That's just silly. So I should actually bind these things here. So fine, you're moving. What I should do, I don't know why I'm doing it because it's not working anyway. But this should be inserted here instead. Go. No. No. want to do is bind. Where's the bind? Here. Right. Yeah, so I should do it there. And here, remove. Suppose. Whoops. This. That. Okay, so remove it. Yes. Yes. The enhanced input is not enhanced. Okay. Why is it so bad? Okay, time to record. Because someone would say use enhanced input. Betcha. One more time. Yep. Oh. And apply. Okay. I tried using enhanced Bevy input. Still terrible. No one have any clue. File, screencast. Or is it Bevy enhanced input? Bevy enhanced. Still terrible. I mean, I have a clue, I guess. It seems that the delta isn't actual pixels. Maybe I should add that. I suppose the mouse delta isn't actual pixels. But how do I get the delta with actual pixels? I mean, I could calculate it, but the data should, I mean, there should be, data should be somewhere. Let's see. Looks like the did you get the response here? Oh, help. There's a help thingy. Good to know. Let's see. No, that's not it. camera, viewport to world. This is not a response to my thing, but yeah. Viewport to world camera, global transform, viewport course. No. Hold on. I end up whipping up a picking observer. Utilize window picking to drag the camera. It required more fiddling around than I thought I would. Also has a bonus zoom observer to show it works no matter the projection scale. Okay. So that works. Cam to viewport to world 2D. What's going on here actually? So camera transform. Camera. This. That. That. Cam viewport. Okay. Cam viewport plus equals drag delta. Okay. So the drag delta is applied. That's just the drag delta that is wrong. And then the transform equals, why not global? Oh, global transform, you can't edit. But the transform is cam viewport to world 2D extend. So I need to do this. Or do I? Viewport to world 2D. That's a delta. Okay. Viewport to world 2D, cam viewport. That's the, doesn't make any sense. Still just the wrong delta. This is just for zoom. How did this work fine for you? Because the projection scaling is 1. Why are you dividing by 5? Projection scale is, oh, it's just a scroll stuff. Okay. Nope, that's not what I need. Yes. I'm sorry to make the play rotate, not the whole body. Okay. Scenery. Sure. No. Oh, this is even Bevy enhanced input. Okay. Someone else saying it's broken. Seems to be quite broken when used inside fixed update. No, fixed update. I don't use fixed update. Send events. This is pointing, trashing, comparison, and blah blah. It's probably. No. Mouse input accumulation. Mouse input sucks. No, blah, blah. No. Whatever. From last year. Sometimes I do not like using stuff like Bevy. Okay. No joy. So if I look at some stuff like NDC, NDC here. I would use the screen matrix for this. What would happen? Viewport, physical viewport size. So Bevy enhanced input, I don't need that. That was very much not enhanced. And enhanced, gone, undo. And draggable, no thank you. Now undo. There we go. Mouse input is gone. I mean, without enhanced input, it's better. It's not good, but it's better. Now at least it's based on the scale. Also. Yeah. I compare this code. Card on wait game card. Why use an entire crate? You can just do this. Oh, wrong one. In 66 lines of code to do the same thing. Oh. Oh, I need to concede defeat basically today. I will have to sleep on this. Actually, I should probably not use the delta. What I should do, I'm just gonna do this, write this down for tomorrow. So do not use mouse delta for movement. Track. So I could actually just snap. So okay, so instead either snap draggable entity to mouse position. Okay, copilot disable, or snapshot, store mouse coordinate and calculate delta based on that. Store mouse down coordinate and calculate delta based on that. Yes. Do not use mouse delta for movement, either snap drag into position or store mouse down coordinate and calculate delta based on that. That makes sense for me tomorrow. Do not use mouse delta for movement. Snap or mouse code in dragging. Draggable. Mouse code in dragging and calculate delta based on that. That should probably solve it. I don't need to care about it. Mhm. Just invite. Accumulated. All together. Let someone respond if they have an idea. Whatever. So all I accomplished today was to run into a bug, add one to do after trying different solutions. That is how it is sometimes. Unfortunately. But tomorrow I have an action plan. I'll probably try to stream more tomorrow. Start earlier and just start earlier. Today was like 2.5 hours of streaming, coding. Tomorrow I will aim for maybe 6 hours. Because I really want to finish this week. And then some. I'll probably think a bit of what I want to do after this week. I do have some stuff here. That's for Bevy Vello. No, it's not. It's for screen picking, which in the future will be in Bevy Vello. Yeah. I think after I do the drag and drop stuff, I can start executing gameplay logic with a basic game state with the dev. Hopefully tomorrow I can fix this. Well, if you are here, thank you.